Ever wondered how our eyes, those remarkable little spheres in our faces, manage to capture the world around us in such vivid detail? It's a fascinating exploration, so sit back, relax, and let's dive into the incredible world of the human eye. Firstly, it's crucial to understand that the human eye operates much like a camera. When light from an object enters the eye, it first encounters the cornea, a clear dome that covers the front of the eye. The cornea's job is to focus that light. As the light passes through the cornea, it then enters the eye through the pupil. The pupil is the small, round hole that you see in the center of the iris, the colorful part of the eye. The iris functions like a camera shutter, controlling how much light enters the eye by adjusting the size of the pupil. Now, we reach the lens. The lens sits behind the iris and it further focuses the light onto the retina, which is at the back of the eye. This is achieved through a process called accommodation. The lens changes its shape to focus light on the retina correctly. The retina, the innermost layer of the eye, is essentially the film of our biological camera. It is here that the magic happens. The retina is packed with millions of photoreceptor cells that are sensitive to light. These cells are of two types: rods, which help us see in low light, and cones, which help us see color. When light hits these photoreceptor cells, they generate electrical signals. These signals are then sent through the optic nerve, a kind of biological data cable, to the brain. The brain interprets these signals, and thus, we perceive the world around us in all its color and detail. In summary, the human eye works in a series of steps. Light enters the eye, gets focused by the cornea and the lens, hits the retina where it's converted into electrical signals, and these signals are then sent to the brain for interpretation. To understand the eye is to appreciate the complexity and wonder of human biology. It's a marvel of natural engineering, an intricate system where each component plays an essential role in the process of vision. Remember, the cornea and lens focus the light. The iris controls the amount of light. The retina converts light into signals, and the brain interprets these signals into images. It's quite impressive, isn't it? The next time you take a glance around your surroundings, take a moment to appreciate the remarkable machinery at work behind those two little spheres in your face. That's all for now. Stay curious and keep exploring.